welcome to the Virtuous Mountain Kitchen. Come along and enjoy as I cook different recipes and tell different stories about the ingredients and different countries and locations where they come from. Thank you.
Hello, here we go. I'm making crab apple sourdough starter. So just watch and see what we're doing here. I've got to say that the taste of bread made from sourdough starter, which is crab apple, is amazing. Apples are good, but crab apples are. So you can see here I'm actually really peeling and cutting because my neighbor gave me these and they've been in a downstairs in a storeroom for quite a while. There's a lot of them that are quite not in a good shape, but I'm clearing out and I've added lemon to this water. I don't think you'll see the video of this. I've added lemon, but I've added lemon to the water to stop the apple discoloring, but it's going to discolor to some extent. So I've got a sharp knife, and here we're really peeling and scraping away to get the best as we can to make the sourdough starter from crab apple. You can make lots of different things from crab apple, like crab apple jelly, but I just thought let's just do the sourdough from it. And nice clear water. And what I'm doing next is I've got this in the blender. I'm blending, and you can see right there in the blender itself. And then I've put it into a jar ready to make the sourdough. And then to get the really good sourdough, what I'm doing is I've added half a cup of flour to the crab apple. So you can see how amazing that's come up. And if you keep watching the next video, because what I'll be doing there is I'll be making the loaf. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and